This is a fully automatic oil adding system, including heating tank, oil storage tank, weighing tank, oil adding pump and pipeline. Used for adding oil in automatic feed processing unit, accurate weighing, high efficiency, automatic control, saving labor, and can meet customers' different formula requirements. This is a 50-liter heating tank with heating pipes. The oil can be heated in advance to increase its flow ability. This is an 800-liter oil storage tank with heating pipes, equipped with 2 sets of 2.2 kW oil adding pumps. This is a 50-liter weighing tank, equipped with PST-type load cell and 2.2 kW oil adding pump. Adding oil can reduce the dust in feed and the nutrient lost of feed. Can also improve feed quality and absorption of vitamins. Oil needs to be added appropriately according to different kinds of animal feed. The storage time of high-quality oil is generally less than 1 month. If the oil is exposed to air for a long time, it's easy to oxidize, and the oil may be easy to go bad in high-temperature environment. If you want to learn more information about us, please visit our website or email. Our factory has more than 30 years experience in feed machine field. Feel free to consult us.